Oh, well, hello there. My name is Ryan, and if you're wondering what nature is all about, well, I'll explain it now. Nature refers to animals, plants, events, and other things that are not made by people. It also includes the weather, sea, the mountains, and etc. Well, let's continue to our interview session.
My name is Putri and today we have Miss Alisa and her student as our guest. So, how are you today, Miss?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking.
It's good to know that you are in excellent condition. May I ask you, how much do you know about our beloved nature?
Oh, that's a good question. Thank you for asking. Actually, Mother Earth or nature is a personification of nature that focuses on the life-giving and nurturing aspects of nature by embodying it as a form of Mother Nature. There's a reason why they are called the guardians of the green. Restoring the damaged ecosystem will help end poverty, combat climate change, and mass extinction, but it will only work if everyone plays a part in it. Anyways, this is my student Akish. So Akish, what do you think about what I just said earlier?
I absolutely agree with Teacher Arisa regarding the whole definition of our Mother Nature. As the biology student, I believe that it's prominent for us to know the basic idea for our nature.
I agree with your idea, Miss Alisa and Akish. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Now, Miss, for next question. What do you think is the advantage of protecting Mother Nature?
I think the advantage of protecting Mother Nature is we could have a much more safer ecosystem for the planet. However, according to United Nations, it is estimated that 10 million hectares of forests are being burned down every year, while 1 million animals are facing threat of extinction.
That was a broad insight from you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, read Hafiz Ishaq as president of Go Green Club. So Hafiz, do you think we need to sustain condition of our Mother Nature?
Well, that question is actually a crucial one for me. We do need to sustain our Mother Nature because our forests, rivers, oceans, and soils provide us with food we get, the air we breathe, and the water we irrigate our crops with.
I guess it is undeniable that nature plays a vital role in our life.
Yes, it is.
Last but not least, do you have any suggestion as for the solution of these issues that currently happening in our nature?
As a concern, some of the solutions that we can consider are promoting renewable energy, such as wind turbines, habitat conservation, sustainable forestry, and the last thing is conservation efforts. This sounds cliche, but then again, it is still unable to achieve by society. Nonetheless, we can also start a worldwide campaign. It is called Just One Tree. It requires every household to plant at least one tree to restore biodiversity and the world better place.
I guess this kind of awareness needs to be adopted since school so that the children have early exposure about this matter. Anyway, thank you for lending your precious time and your knowledge.
Thank you.
As we can see, our world now is experiencing some issues. These issues are caused by the unethical behavior of human beings. Based on my research, deforestation and haze are some of the issues. There are two issues that I will tell you now. Firstly is deforestation. Deforestation are caused by the forest being converted into cropland. It is a main driver of forest loss. And secondly is the haze. Haze are caused by the sunlight and contain tiny pollution particles that are from air and forest fire.
And what would have happened if we don't protect the forest? If we don't protect the forest, pollution will happen. This happened due to urbanization and industrialization, which cause to damage human health and environment. There are several positive values we can gain for nature, which can act as food and habitat for wetlands. For instance, lizards, frogs, and water birds feed on wetland plants and worms.